Right click on Employee Manager and click on Run Employee Manager to execute this. Now you can see graphic user interface. This is login page. Give username and password to open home screen. As you can see, people are working very hard to get success. Here we have some options on home page. Click on any one to see. Like in this department page, you can see we have already 4 departments. You can add new. Also update that and delete that. Now this is designation page with some already added designations. You can also search by department. Add a new designation under new department, quality assurance. Here you can see we can add new employees. We can't add quality technicians because till now we didn't add his pay. Firstly, view this pay head page where we can add types of pay, basic pay, DA. Now create a salary for particular designation. Like for manager, these are the criteria to get salary. For quality assurance, quality technician, we are adding new salary details like basic pay of 30,000, then choosing TA, DA is according to the formula. Now we are adding this. These will be used to calculate his salary. Now we can add new employee with the quality technician as a designation. There are also validation checks. If we do something wrong, it will notify us with these message boxes. We can upload photos like this. Let's assume this is his ID proof. We can also use these options to go in. We can use these options to navigate to different pages. Like here, we can see all employees, or we can also search by name. We will get to know similar name starting with that character or word. Now we can add attendance of that employee. We didn't mark attendance of to this date till now. It will automatically add calculate absent employees. We can simply click on fields to make them present or absent. Now we can see, we will get to know that attendance is already marked. We can manage salaries. It will automatically calculate salary of employee according to absent and present days of that month. We will also get printout of this salary slip along with date timestamp. We can add bonus amount also. It will automatically add it to net salary. We can also see a record of salary according to employee ID or duration or the payment date. Also, we can get printout of this record. Similarly, we have employee record, which we can show according to department or designation. And last, we have attendance record. We can get also printout of this attendance record of employee and according to the date given. You can also manage new user, change password of current user. You will be notified if something is wrong. Now you can log out with this option. This is employee login. You can see there are different options, but fully optional, different options but fully functional. That's it for the project. These are steps you have to follow to run this project. Firstly, extract the zip folder. Right click on this and click on extract all. Select the desired folder. It will take a while to extract all. Now we get the project folder. Project. Firstly, open PyCharm. Now open your project in this PyCharm. Find the correct folder. As you can see, there is no interpreter selected yet. Firstly, we have to remove this virtual environment. Now delete this VNV folder. Now create a new virtual environment by clicking on setting option, then project, Python interpreter. Add a new interpreter by clicking on add local interpreter. New is already selected, just click on OK button, then once again OK. Your virtual environment is created successfully. But still we can't run our project as we require some modules to install first. These are the modules we require to run our project. Install all of these. For that, click on terminal. Select command prompt. Write down the installation command, that is pip install, and the module name. For instance, PyMySQL. Similarly, install other modules also. Now all modules are installed successfully, but we have to set our database also. For that, follow these steps. Open your XAMPP. Click on Start of Apache and Start of MySQL. Then click on Admin of MySQL. Copy the name of SQL file. Create a new database of that name. Now get all data, import. Click on Import tab, then select the SQL file. Click on Import button. Then you will get all the data and tables of that SQL file. Now we successfully set up our project along with database. You can run this project by clicking on Employee Manager file.